Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I will explain you how to install Linux into your Android device easily using an Anlinux application and a Termux with well, here is the first you are need to install Termux and Anlinux from F-Droid. First, I'm already installed it, so we just need to open Anlinux and choose which distribution do you want to choose. Uh, we only can go with Ubuntu, Debian, Kali, or another distribution except Alpine or Void Linux to install all the desktop environment. I will choosing Ubuntu right here. It's pretty stable enough. Debian is more stable than Ubuntu, but Ubuntu get a more software update. I will paste this and press enter. It currently it testing any repository. It going to updating the repository. Now it install in independent any tools that need to for a cruise. It downloading the Ubuntu root fs. It currently downloading. Yeah. The size of Ubuntu root fs is 15.5 megabytes. So we can see right here if here is the Ubuntu fs directory right here. Here is it, and a script to run Ubuntu root fs. Now you can, or here is it, the actual script. Now we just need to copy it and paste it. Now, right, the next step is updating Ubuntu repository. Now here we go. We will upgrading the root fs. It's up to date now. It's time to install a GUI. Now go back to Anlinux. Here you can just between desktop environment or window manager. It's recommended having a 2 gigabytes of space of the internal storage in order to installing a desktop environment. The short explanation of desktop environment and window manager is both is just a GUI, but window manager is targeted for advanced users and only do a windowing. There is no panel, there is no desktop icons maybe, and there is no built-in application like file manager or something. We will choose Ubuntu XFCE4. Now copy it and launch it. Now paste it, and here we go. Now it currently updating again the repository. Now it going to install all. Here is it. And also install sudo. In here you will be noticed if you will choose the keyboard layout right here. If you see this message, just press enter 2 times. Press enter 3 times and choose key maps list right here. I will choose English US. We will choose by the number. I will choose 31. Alright. I will choose number 1. Now alright, so here we will prompt it for a Vnc password. This is required to access the GUI on the installed root app as. Now we will verify it again and we will type N. Now it's started right here. Well, the remote desktop is in localhost. Alright, now we will try to connect into on my phone right here. Alright, we'll try to see what an IP address for here is it. Alright, we will try to connect it. Here we go. Permission denied. What? I bet it should be able. Alright, here we go. Now we will type again the password. Now we will going into the desktop and here we go. Well, it bit stretchy right here. I will try to resize it first. Now you can get a Linux distribution right on your cell phone. Or we lost the window manager right here. Well, we will going to fix it by installing xfvm4. We'll try to see what happened wrong right here. Oh boy. Well, seems like a dependency problem.